Hello children, today in literature we will be taking chapter 9 Red Eye. Okay, now this red eye, before I explain the story, tell me how many of you like animals? Have you kept any animals as pet before? Here we'll read about a girl, Cindy, who has a pet snake. Okay, and let us go through the contents of the story. Okay, and it was a real snake, not a paper snake or something like that. Her name was Cynthia Anna, but the author called him Cindy. Okay, and she was 9 years old, and she had a sister called Emily. She's 12 years old and she is really silly. Emily is really silly. Why she is called silly? Because she is afraid of this cockroaches, white mice, frogs, spiders, and especially the snakes. And her sister Emily Cynthia thinks that snakes are really great. That is why she calls her sister as silly, because she did not like the snakes. Now one day last summer, when they were visiting the uncle's farm, Cynthia or Cindy, what we call, found a garter snake. What is a garter snake? A garter snake is a harmless American snake with colored lines along its back. Okay. Now she caught the snake, took a good close-up look, and it was long as her arm. Okay, and it had 3 pale strips and orange dots on its body. Okay, and they were beautiful little blue slashes. Slashes means slanting lines. Okay, on its head. But she preferred to call the snake Red Eye because it had red eyes. The eyes of the snake was red colored. And her uncle she's saying that my uncle told me to take it home and keep it as a pet. Then she said that, no, I said, Emily hates snakes. She is afraid of them because she thinks all of them are venomous. When the uncle asked Cindy to take the snake and keep it as a pet, she is saying, no, I will not take it because my sister Emily, she hates snakes and she thinks that all the snakes are, she's afraid of them, and she thinks that all the snakes are venomous. Venomous means poisonous. Then uncle is saying, nonsense, said my uncle. A garter snake won't hurt anyone if it is handled properly. That means if you take good care and if you don't disturb it, it will not hurt anyone. Oh, Emily wouldn't touch Red Eye, I said. She would scream and complain and carry on. Then I stopped. I remembered the time Emily had refused to lend me her pocket money for Dad's birthday present. I thought of the time she had reported me for. She's saying that I know my sister doesn't like snake, and if I take it home she will scream. That means she will cry at the top of her voice, shout at the top of her voice, and she said that I had asked Emily once for the pocket money for Dad's present. At that time also she had refused. I thought of times she had reported for me, and she said that once when she had used her hairbrush to brush the dog's hair, at that time also she had made a fuss. On second thought, I thought she might learn a lot from Red Eye. Still, at last, Cynthia or Cindy, she is ready to take Red Eye home and keep it as a pet. So my aunt gave me an empty coffee can and I poked little holes in the plastic lid. Lid means the cover. Okay. The holes were little ones because my aunt told me that snakes are escape artists and can get out of just about anything. Then I took the garter snake home. She's saying that my uncles and aunts saying I took the snake home and she put it in a plastic can was given by her uncle, in which she poked holes. Poked hole means she made holes, and in that holes in that whole can she put the snake and took it home, and she said that my aunt had said that they are escape artists. What do you mean by escape artists? Escape artists means performers who can escape from difficult traps. Okay. Then my mother helped me to find my old fish tank in the garbage. Now from the garbage her mother helped to find a fish tank. Can you see the fish tank here? And in this Cindy has kept the snake. Okay. It was just the thing for a snake. It was fascinating to watch Red Eye eat. When I put a piece of raw fish in the tank, it would open its mouth very wide and swallow the piece whole. That means when she put the piece of fish in the tank, the Red Eye would open its mouth wide and put it and swallow the whole. That means it would take it all together in its mouth in one piece only. Then for a day or two you could see a larger lump in the Red Eye's body. The lump, what do you mean by lump? Lump means a swelling. Okay. The lump would get smaller and smaller as it went further and farther down. Okay. Then it got better by becoming small. Emily said it made her sick when I spoke of Red Eye's eating habits. Now whenever she talked about the Red Eye, her sister Emily was saying that it made her sick. That means she didn't like her talking even about her eating habits and the rest of the things. During the dinner and when I showed her the skin it had shed, she started to scream. You know, snakes, they shed the skin. That means they give off their skin and the new skin comes. So children, will be taking till here. Rest I'll be explaining in the next video. Thank you.